So often I meet Pectus warriors on my strategy calls and they tell me I just can't gain weight and build muscle due to my Pectus excavator. I eat a lot and no matter what I do, I can't seem to build muscle or get any heavier. And you know what I ask them after that? I say, so have you ever tracked your calories? Like, how much is a lot? And they say, oh, I've never tracked my calories, I just eat a lot. Guys, you don't know what a lot is. Every single person in this whole entire universe can gain weight. Just because you have Pectus Excavatum deformity doesn't mean you can't gain weight and build muscle. You can. We all can, okay? Sure, you might be ectomorphic. Sure, you might have a fast metabolism. It's really common with Pectus to have a fast metabolism, to be ectomorphic, which makes gaining weight really hard because you burn a lot of calories at rest. And so for you to be in a calorie surplus requires you to eat a lot of food. So it definitely makes it hard, but you can gain weight because the law of calories in versus calorie out doesn't just not apply to you. If you eat more energy than you burn, you will store that energy and gain weight, okay? It's just how it is. It's how it is for every single human being. What we have to find out is how many calories you have to eat to gain weight. And this is where I help my clients majorly by teaching them how they can track their food in my app to hit, so you track everything you eat throughout the day. Yes, that requires weighing the individual ingredients of every single meal to see how many calories and how much protein you've eaten in that day. By doing that and then weighing yourself first thing in the morning, before you eat or drink anything, before you put on clothes, so it's a consistent weigh-in that's not affected by the amount of food you're eating or whether you're wearing a jumper or how heavy your shoes are. So by weighing yourself first thing in the morning, you can see how your weight is changing. And guess what? If you're not gaining weight and you've been tracking your calories accurately and tracking everything you eat, then all we've done is we've figured out that the amount of calories you're eating isn't enough to put you in a calorie surplus. So you're burning more calories. So guess what? We increase your calories and then we keep tracking your weight. And if it's not going up, then we increase them even more. For some people, you might have to eat 4,000 calories a day to gain weight. For me, I have to eat 5,000 calories a day because I'm 6'1", I'm 200 pounds, I'm really active, I surf most days, I work out most days, and for me to be in a calorie surplus requires that much food, okay? For you, you might think you're eating a lot of food, but if you track your food, you're probably only eating 2,500 calories. Most people don't even know what a lot of food is. They have no idea. And so once you track your food, then you'll realize how much you're eating. And so learning how to track your food, learning how to track your weight, learning how to train properly, getting a program, it's going to help you so much. So don't be in the victim mindset telling me because you have Pectus, you can't gain weight, you can't build muscle, because you can. You just haven't done it properly. You haven't ever had a program. You haven't ever had a strategy from a coach who's helped hundreds, thousands of people with Pectus Excavatum over the last decade. Don't say you can't gain weight until you understand what you're talking about, because I guarantee you this, you can gain weight. You just have to find how much it is. And that's where having a coach who's going to calculate the calories you need to eat, program it for you, teach you how you can track it, it's going to make you get that result. It is the law of energy balance. Calories in versus calories out. And no matter what, if you consume more calories than you burn, you'll gain weight. And guys, I've got really good tips to help my clients do that. Like, for example, having smoothies can really help. If you make a calorie-dense smoothie, let's say you do 2 bananas, 2 scoops of peanut butter, a scoop of protein powder, 30 grams of oats, a cup and a half of oat milk, a cup of frozen berries, and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. You throw all that in a smoothie, you're gonna get over 1,000 calories, a lot of protein, really good nutrients, and that is quite easy to drink. I have a smoothie, similar ingredients to that every day. You get 1,000 calories in one drink, okay? That's one good tip. You also want to just choose calorically dense ingredients, okay? Meats, they're high in calories, high in protein, high in fats. Peanut butter and avocado, other high fat foods can really help with your calories. If you're choosing carbs, you want easy to digest carbohydrates like white rice. There's a reason bodybuilders eat white rice, because it's easy to digest. And so it's just easy for you to consume it with, your chicken or your other foods and getting those calories. So yes, if you have Pectus excavatum and you're saying you can't gain weight, you can. I hope this video has helped you realize that. And guys, I love helping people with Pectus change their bodies and become confident in it, build muscle, gain weight, make the condition look half as noticeable or hardly noticeable, depending on how severe your case is. I'd love to help you. So book a strategy call with me so I can meet you, look at your Pectus, determine the program and the strategy for you, and then we can get started. So I'd love to help you. First link in the description, and I'll meet you on a call soon. Thanks guys, peace.